Hello clarinets, and welcome to our first guided music practice session. So today we are going to be reviewing our B flat up here, and we're going to be learning our low B flat, which also might be a review for some of you. And then we're going to be making sure that we understand what 3/4 time is and how to play in it. Let's get started. We will be successful when we can identify and correctly play our middle B flat and our low B flat, and when we can explain what 3/4 time signature is. Okay, so let's start by playing our B flat up here, so thumb at the back, A key. Your turn. And play it again on your own. Now play the low B flat. 1, 2, 3, and first finger. And your turn. And together. Cool. Now open up your books to exercise 78.
Let's get started. So this is our B flat. See how it's in the very middle line? Here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's in the very middle line. And there's a flat right at the beginning. So that means that that note is B flat, because this says all B's are flat. So that means there's one B flat, another B flat, and one last B flat here. So let's say the notes and point with me. F, G, A, 2, G, A, B flat, 2, A, G, F, A, G, C. Now see if you can do the rest on your own. Pause it here.
Hopefully, we do remember seeing that B flat in our music. Now let's go from the beginning and let's play just the first 2 bars. Now press pause and do that on your own. Now let's do the next 2 bars. Now your turn, press pause. And the next 2 bars. Press pause and do it on your own. And now the last 2 bars. Let's see if we can play the whole song the whole way through. If you need some extra practice, just press pause now and play the little chunks 2 bars at a time until you feel confident with your fingers. Now it's your turn. Press pause and do that again on your own. Hopefully, you can identify all of the B flats in that music and you found it really easy to just put your extra thumb on at the back there to get that B flat out. Now let's go to exercise 83. In exercise 83, you'll be able to see that there is a 3/4 time signature at the start. Let me show you.
So here we have our 3/4 time signature. And all that means is there are 3 crotchet beats in a bar. So there are 3 of these in every bar. So from the beginning, we have beat 1, beat 2, and beat 3. A, 2, B, B, 2, A, G, B, B, A. So see if you can figure out from the beginning how many beats go in this note, how many beats go in this note, how many beats go in this note, how many go in this tied note altogether. Hopefully, you said that it's 5 counts all up. Now let's go all the way back to the beginning and look at this. See this key signature here? Remember what it means? It means that all the B's are flat. So how many B flats are there all up in Baccarat? Hopefully you got to the answer of 12. Now I want you to press pause here and see if you can sing, do the fingers and counting on your own before we do it.
Now let's sing and do the fingers together. A to B flat, to A, G, B flat, to A, G, B flat, to A, 2, 3, 1, 2, rest. A to B flat, to A, G, B flat, to A, G, B flat, to A, F, 2, 3, 1, 2. How did you go? Did you get all of the B flats right? Hopefully you did. If not, go back to the beginning and practice it slower and in 2-bar chunks. Once you have the 2-bar chunks done, do it in 4-bar chunks. Now let's play the first 4 bars together. And let's do that again. All right, now let's look at the next 4 bars. Can you hear or see a pattern yet? Let's try it again. This time we're going to do the whole first line. Okay, now let's see if you can press pause and do the whole last line on your own. Now let's do the whole song all the way through together. How did you go? Were you able to play all of the B flats correctly? Please press pause and play it 3 more times on your own. If you would like to play it with me, just rewind and play it again. Now let's go to exercise 84. Are there any B flats in exercise 84? Hopefully the answer was no. Are there any Bs at all in exercise 84? Good, there are no Bs at all. Now look at the beginning. What time signature are we in? 3-4. And what does 3-4 mean? 3 beats in every bar. To be more accurate, 3 crotchet beats in every bar. Let's go from the beginning, doing the fingers and saying the notes. G, E, D, C, D, E, G, E, D, C, D, E, D, E, G, E, G, A, E, A, G, E, D, C, 2, 3, repeat. G, E, D, C, D, E, Can you now explain to yourself what 3/4 means again? Hopefully the answer was there are 3 crotchet beats in every bar. Now let's go from the beginning, and remember you need to tongue the start of every slur. If there are no slurs, then we need to tongue all of the other notes as well. Here's a quick example. Ta, 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 ta. See if you can do that on your own. Sing the tas with your fingers, and so that you can practice your tonguing really accurately. Let's do it together once. Ta, 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 ta. Press pause and see if you can do that on your own. Now let's play it together. Now let's play it with smart music. This time we will do the repeat. How did you go with playing in 3/4 time? How are your tonguing and slurring? Now let's go to exercise 85. This is our new note, our low B flat. So the very first note on this page is 1, 2, 3, and first finger. You will notice that it looks just like our C, but a little bit lower, so it's underneath the C, and it's a B flat because there's a flat symbol in front of it. So this piece goes B flat to C to D to B flat to. How do you think the rest of the piece will go? Pause it now and see if you can work it out. Hopefully yours went something like this. This is the second half. C to F, C, D, C, B flat. Were you able to correctly identify that last note as another B flat? Let's play that B flat now. And again. Now play the first 4 notes. Press pause and do that on your own. Now let's do the last 2 bars. Press pause and do that on your own. Once you've done that, play the whole song on your own. Press pause, and now let's do it all together from the beginning. Hopefully that wasn't too fast. If it was, try and practice it gradually getting faster on your own. Do we now understand how to play in 3/4 time and what 3/4 time means? Say it out loud now if you're not sure. Let me know if this video went too fast or too slow for you, and I will attempt to make the next video better. Send me your practice videos or recordings and let me know how you're going, and keep up the good work and happy practicing.